click the bell icon and click all, because when I will put any type of videos related job informations, related tips and tricks how to crack exam, related some tutorial, you will be notified at that time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here for informing you a new job notification, but the job is depending upon the work from home job career. Yes guys, because today's the pandemic is still now going on and the lots of workers may not be able to come back and return back to their daily and regular office life. They have to suffer a lot and they have to complete their project or their work through the home. So work from home is nowadays a great steps taken by our government. For that reason, some renamed companies are also offering some jobs that must be based on work from home career. So what is the job? Today's video I am discussing the name of the job publishing from the renamed company, and in that job who can apply, that means the eligibility criteria, as well as the registration process, how you are going to be applied, and what is the selection method, as well as some salary structure, or you may call the pay scales. All the informations I am going to share in this video. So if you are interested, then you have to see this video till the end. So guys, one thing is that this job is from our renamed Jio. You all probably know the name of Jio because most of the people of our country and customer of the Jio, isn't it? So today's job, your career is based on Jio. If you are interested to set up your career, to build your career in Jio company and be the associate partner with Jio, then you have to see this video. So one thing is that who can apply in that case, that people who see my video are applicable for this job. That means from class 12 to graduate, that means undergraduate to graduate, both are applicable. If you are a student that who have just completing your graduation, either in BTech or BCom or BSc, whatsoever, you can apply for this job. If you are a 12th pass candidate, you may also apply for this job. So now go to my laptop screen and see how the process will be go on. So first, when you search the Jio career in Google, then you can get such type of interface in front in your laptop screen. So now what you have to do, just log in here, or you may go with partner login program. But before going to log in here, first I will advise you, or I will suggest you that you have to find out what type of work do you want according your home based job choice. So first you have to go to the job portion, and after clicking the job, where you may fill your keyword, then select the function. That is here, lots of functions is defined here, like engineering, technology, finance, infrastructure, IT system, legal, marketing, and others also, supply chain and business operation, corporate affairs, corporate services, customer services, and so on. Now come here, the location, actual from where you are, you have to place here your location, and I am from Coach Bihar, so this is my location here. 1 days or less than 7 days or last 30 days, all of the options are available here. Now come here, that what type of job you want, like sales and distribution, customer services, engineering technology, others, IT system job, business operation, supply chain, and here all the jobs are available in these pages. Now suppose one is like engineering and technology. Okay, as I am engineer, so this is according my choice. Now come here, when you can see the engineering technology job, this type of job you can get, that JC Enterprise, Jamshedpur Engineering Technology, and all of the jobs are here posted 11th July 2020. That means for today. That means they are updated their sites each and every possible times. Okay, now this is all the jobs that is obviously will be done now work from home, but when this pandemic will over, you have to go their site or their location. Like customer services, this is the actually home based job, isn't it? So if we click this portion, we can find out like this type of job, that is contact center, non-voice, Thane, are updated today, that means 11 July 2020. And this contact center or call center executive job is based on the work from home job. Okay, but what is the actual criteria for hiring you? So their hiring procedure is divided in the 3 parts. That is, first one is the application portion, then assessment, and after that the final is selection. So if we click on the application portion, we can see that their job search on the career portal. According to your choice, you have to apply. That is the online application. For that purpose, there is a link is given, that is click to view resume preparation. Here you have to fill your resume. Now review of the application. Your application will be reviewed under the authority of this site. Now come here the assessment part. After reviewing, after selecting your resume, you will be able for the assessment, and in assessment there must be one test. After that the interview will be happened. So what is the test? Basically the test is the objective type test, and this is an objective type test that measure your basic numerical, logical reasoning, and actually some language skills. Okay, though you are a college students, either BTech graduate, BSc, BA, whatever your degree is, but you have to clear such type of online MCQ tests. After cracking the test, you will call for the personal interview. But now the pandemic is going on, for that reason their interview will be happened through the telephone, over telephone or Skype or video conference. That means that is one face-to-face interaction will be happened. Okay, now after your interview, if you are selected, then the final selection will happen, and in that final selection you will receive a phone call to extend a verbal offer. Okay, so verbal offer will be sent through the written via email or requiring on your registered email ID that you already mentioned in your resume, and like this you are able for joining. So guys, hopefully this will helpful to you, and if you like my videos, then obviously like, share and subscribe my channel. One thing is that if you have any queries, write in my comment section below, and please comment what type of job you want mostly. Please write in my comment. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.